Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is projected to reach a staggering $60 billion? As we delve into the astonishing world of artificial intelligence, we can't help but marvel at its explosive growth. From smartphones to smart cities, AI has woven itself into the very fabric of our lives, transforming the way we work, learn, and play. It's no exaggeration to say that we are living in the age of AI. Indeed, we are standing on the brink of an AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream of the future. Today, AI is a pervasive force, subtly shaping the world around us. It's in the way your smartphone understands your voice, the personalized recommendations you get while online shopping, or the targeted ads that seem to know your preferences before you do. AI is not just limited to our personal devices, it has permeated various sectors. It helps doctors diagnose diseases with precision, assists teachers in personalizing education for each student, and enables businesses to predict customer behavior. This is not some monolithic, ominous entity. Rather, it's a myriad of algorithms and machine learning models, tirelessly working behind the scenes to make our lives smoother. From powering virtual assistants and predictive text, to enabling facial recognition and autonomous driving, AI is weaving itself into the very fabric of our existence. These are not just isolated instances of futuristic technology, they're evidence of a broader trend. In fact, AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our everyday existence. Imagine a world where doctors can predict diseases before they occur. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's the reality of artificial intelligence in healthcare. AI's ability to analyze big data sets means it can identify patterns and risks, effectively forecasting health issues before they become critical. It's like having a crystal ball, but one powered by algorithms and machine learning. But it doesn't stop there. AI is personalizing medicine like never before. It can tailor treatments to individual patients, considering unique genetic makeup and lifestyle factors. This means more effective therapies, fewer side effects, and better patient outcomes. And let's not forget about robotic surgery. With AI, we're seeing unparalleled precision, minimizing human error and improving recovery times. It's like having a surgeon with superhuman steadiness and accuracy. The impact of AI in healthcare is profound. It's more than just technology. It's a new way to approach medicine. It's about prevention, personalization, and precision. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. Businesses are harnessing the power of AI to gain a competitive edge. Imagine the ability to predict market trends, customer behavior, and business outcomes with uncanny accuracy. That's precisely what AI-powered predictive analytics is offering businesses today. With this tool, businesses can anticipate future events and plan accordingly, thereby gaining a significant advantage over competition. But that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing customer service. Ever interacted with a chatbot? That's artificial intelligence at work, offering instant, round-the-clock customer support without the need for human intervention. It's efficient, it's effective, and it's transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. Then, there's automation. From manufacturing processes to administrative tasks, AI is enabling businesses to automate repetitive tasks and free up human resources for more complex, creative roles. It's not just about replacing humans, but rather augmenting human capabilities with AI. In these ways and more, AI is redefining the world of business. It's not a question of if AI will transform the business landscape, but rather how and when. From personalized movie recommendations to AI-generated music, technology is transforming the way we consume entertainment. Artificial intelligence has woven itself into the very fabric of our leisure time, tailoring experiences to our unique tastes and preferences. Ever noticed how your streaming service seems to intuitively know your favorite genres? That's the magic of AI algorithms, tirelessly analyzing viewing patterns to curate personalized content. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also stepping into the creative realm, generating music and even scripts for films and TV shows. These AI-generated pieces are not only novel, they're also pushing the boundaries of what's possible in entertainment. Virtual reality, too, is harnessing the power of AI. Imagine immersing yourself in an interactive game world that evolves in response to your decisions, creating a unique narrative that's all your own. That's the future of gaming, powered by AI. AI is reshaping the entertainment landscape, heralding an era of personalized, interactive, and boundary-pushing experiences. Education is entering a new era, thanks to AI. Picture a classroom where learning is personalized, where each student's unique strengths and weaknesses are catered to. This isn't a distant reality, it's happening now, with AI's ability to tailor educational content to individual learners. Imagine a dedicated tutor, available around the clock, able to answer any question on the spot. That's what intelligent tutoring systems offer, using AI to mimic human tutors and provide immediate feedback, enhancing the learning process. And it's not just the students who benefit. AI also assists educators and administrators, taking over mundane tasks like grading and scheduling, freeing up time for more important work. It's also helping to identify learning gaps and suggest interventions before they become problematic. AI is transforming education from a one-size-fits-all model to a customized, adaptive experience that meets the needs of every student. The result? More engaged learners, better outcomes, and a brighter future for all. AI is revolutionizing education. AI is taking the wheel in the transportation sector. Its influence isn't just limited to the realm of autonomous vehicles, which are rapidly evolving from a sci-fi dream to reality. Sure, self-driving cars are the poster child of AI in transportation, but the story doesn't end there. AI is also transforming how we manage traffic. With smart traffic prediction systems, we're now able to reduce congestion and optimize traffic flow. These systems analyze historical traffic data and real-time information to predict traffic patterns, helping city planners create more efficient transportation networks. Additionally, AI is revolutionizing logistics. Think about it. Automated warehouses, autonomous delivery drones, and predictive delivery systems. It's like a symphony where AI is the conductor, orchestrating every move to perfection. The impact of AI in transportation extends beyond convenience. It's about safety, efficiency, and sustainability. With fewer accidents, reduced travel times, and lower carbon emissions, AI is not just changing how we move, but also shaping our cities and societies. AI is steering the future of transportation. AI is sowing the seeds of a new agricultural revolution. Imagine a future where our farms are run by intelligent systems, making decisions based on real-time data analysis. This is precision farming, and it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game changer, allowing farmers to optimize their operations, manage resources efficiently, and reduce waste. It's enabling precision farming, a method that uses data analytics and AI to monitor and optimize agricultural practices. But that's not all. AI is also helping to combat one of the biggest challenges in agriculture: crop diseases. Through machine learning and image recognition, AI can detect abnormalities in crop health, allowing for early intervention and potentially saving entire harvests. Moreover, AI is transforming yield prediction. By analyzing historical data and current conditions, AI can accurately forecast crop yields, helping farmers plan better and maximize their profits. AI is cultivating the future of agriculture. It's not just about growing more food, but growing it more sustainably, and AI is leading the way. As we look to the future, the possibilities of AI are boundless. Imagine a world where quantum computing becomes a reality, with AI at the helm, solving complex problems at speeds we can hardly fathom today. Picture brain-computer interfaces, where AI merges with human cognition, unlocking unprecedented potential for learning and interaction. Envision the dawn of superintelligence, where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to breakthroughs in science, medicine, and beyond. It's a world where AI isn't just a tool, but an integral part of our lives, reshaping the way we think, work, and interact. Yet as we dream of these exciting prospects, we must also tread with caution. The path to superintelligence is fraught with ethical and philosophical questions that we must address. Will AI serve humanity or supersede it? Will it augment our abilities or make them redundant? The future of AI is a thrilling mystery, filled with endless possibilities. While the potential of AI is immense, it is not without its challenges. As we navigate the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, it's crucial that we acknowledge and address the dilemmas it presents. One such quandary is job displacement. As AI becomes more adept, the fear of machines replacing human labor grows more real. From manufacturing to customer service, the concern is tangible and widespread. Then there's the issue of privacy. With AI's ability to gather and analyze vast amounts of data, how do we ensure our personal information remains secure and confidential? Further, as AI systems become more autonomous, questions arise about decision-making accountability. Who bears responsibility when an AI makes a mistake or causes harm? These are just a few of the ethical and societal challenges we face in the age of AI. They may be complex and daunting, but they are not insurmountable. The road to AI's future is filled with both excitement and challenges. The journey into the world of AI is a fascinating one, filled with awe-inspiring potential and thought-provoking challenges. As we've explored, it's clear that AI's transformative power is already reshaping industries, from healthcare to transportation. It's not just a tool, but a driving force, steering us towards a future that once seemed the stuff of science fiction. Yet with these advances come challenges we must face. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one thing is certain: the future is here, and it is AI-driven. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of AI. If you've been stimulated by our expedition, we invite you to express your thoughts by clicking that like button and sharing this video with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more illuminating content like this. Your comments below are always welcomed. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into the world of technology. Until then, keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep looking to the future. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, it's important to remember that its applications are not just transforming life on Earth, but also playing a crucial role in space exploration. Artificial intelligence is helping astronomers analyze vast amounts of data. Traditional methods of data analysis are simply not efficient enough to process the information collected by modern telescopes. AI, however, can sift through this data at an unprecedented speed, helping us understand the universe in ways we never could before. In addition, AI is contributing to the development of autonomous spacecraft. These smart machines can independently navigate and make decisions, reducing the need for human intervention and enabling missions that may be too dangerous or too far for humans to undertake. And let's not forget AI's potential in the search for extraterrestrial life. Machine learning algorithms are being used to analyze signals from space, potentially helping us identify signs of life beyond our planet. Indeed, AI is truly taking us to new frontiers, beyond our planet and into the cosmos. The stars are no longer the limit. Instead, they are the beginning of a journey that AI is helping us embark on. Stay curious, stay excited, and stay with us as we continue to delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. As we journey from the cosmos back to our home planet, it's crucial to highlight the pivotal role AI is playing in protecting Earth. Not only is AI transforming our understanding of the universe, but it's also enhancing our ability to safeguard the diverse ecosystems and species that inhabit our world. Firstly, AI is playing a significant role in wildlife conservation. Sophisticated AI algorithms, combined with image recognition technology, are being used to monitor and protect endangered species. By analyzing thousands of images from wildlife cameras, AI can help identify and track individual animals, providing invaluable data for conservation efforts. Secondly, AI is also contributing significantly to our understanding of climate change. Machine learning algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of climate data, helping scientists predict weather patterns and understand the long-term effects of global warming. This information is critical in formulating effective strategies to combat climate change. Lastly, AI is showing great potential in optimizing resource usage and reducing waste. Smart algorithms can help manage water resources, optimize energy usage, and even predict crop yields, minimizing waste and promoting more sustainable practices. In conclusion, the impact of AI extends far beyond technological advancement. It's a tool that's helping us safeguard our home, our planet. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, let's remember its potential to not only innovate but also conserve. Stay tuned as we delve further into the fascinating and multifaceted world of artificial intelligence. As we have seen, AI has a significant influence on numerous aspects of our lives. However, it's not just about data and algorithms, it's also about creativity and art. Artificial intelligence is making its mark in the art world, birthing new forms of expression that were once considered impossible. AI algorithms are being used to create stunning visual art, from painting and sculpture to digital art and design. These AI-driven creations challenge our perceptions of art and the artist, opening up new conversations about creativity in the digital age. The realm of music is also seeing AI's influence, with algorithms composing and performing music in various genres. These AI-composed pieces are not just random notes strung together, but coherent compositions that evoke emotion and stir the soul. AI's role in music is not limited to creation alone. It's also being used in music recommendation systems, personalizing listener experiences like never before. Moreover, AI is showing great potential in inspiring new creative processes and ideas. Artists are using AI as a tool to generate unique patterns, designs, and concepts, pushing the boundaries of their creativity. The fusion of AI and human creativity is leading to a new era of art, one that's as exciting as it is unpredictable. In conclusion, AI is truly blurring the lines between technology and creativity. As we continue to explore the impact of AI, let's remember its potential to not only innovate, but also to inspire and create. Stay tuned as we delve further into the fascinating and multifaceted world of artificial intelligence. As we continue our exploration of AI's impact, we turn our attention to the world of sports. AI is changing the game, quite literally. It's being used to analyze player performance in real time, providing detailed insights that help coaches and players make informed decisions. This data-driven approach is revolutionizing how athletes train, helping to optimize performance and prevent injuries. But it's not just about the players. AI is also playing a crucial role in game strategy and decision-making. Coaches and teams are leveraging AI to analyze opponent strategies, predict game outcomes, and make critical in-game decisions. This technology is taking sports analytics to a whole new level, providing a competitive edge that was unimaginable a few years ago. Beyond the field, AI is enhancing the fan experience. AI-powered platforms are personalizing content for fans, providing real-time updates, stats, and insights that make following sports more engaging and immersive. Moreover, AI is being used to create virtual experiences that bring fans closer to the action, from virtual reality match simulations to AI-generated highlights. In conclusion, AI is truly a game-changer in the world of sports. It's enhancing performance, transforming strategy, and redefining fan engagement. As we delve further into the impact of AI, it's clear that its potential is as vast as it is exciting. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. As we shift our focus from the sports field, let's explore another critical area where AI is making significant strides: the field of law and justice. AI is increasingly being utilized in legal research, helping practitioners sift through volumes of text in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This not only speeds up the process, but also increases the accuracy of the research. AI is also being used to analyze contracts, helping to identify potential issues and streamline the negotiation process. But the impact of AI in the legal field doesn't stop there. Predictive algorithms are being used to forecast legal outcomes, aiding lawyers in formulating their strategies and clients in understanding potential scenarios. And perhaps most importantly, AI holds the potential to significantly improve access to justice. AI-powered chatbots and legal advice platforms are making it easier for individuals to understand their legal rights and navigate the often complex legal system. All these advancements are contributing to a more efficient, accessible, and equitable legal system. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's clear that this technology is not just transforming our world, it's reshaping the landscape of law and justice. So stay tuned as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.